In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your birthday notifications not showing up on Facebook. So the first thing you'll want to do is just open up your Facebook. After you're there, go to the menu section on the bottom right. Now after you're here, just scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it and go to Settings. Now after you are on Settings, you'll need to scroll down. Now under Preferences, you will see Notifications option. Tap on it. Now after you're there, you will see the birthday option. So just go to birthdays, and now you'll need to tap on allow notification on Facebook. Just toggle on this button, and after doing that, you can just select where you want to receive these notifications to. So you can get a push notification, you can even get an email, or you can just get an SMS too. So after doing all of this, you'll start getting your notifications of birthday on your Facebook. And it's that simple, guys, and that is all for the video too. If you like the video, just hit the like down below and stay tuned for more. And bye bye, take care. That is all.